Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can start using Airtable. So first of all you need to log into Airtable, and once you're logged in it will take you to this page, this home page. So if you're new you'll have nothing here, as I have a lot of pages, but you will have basically nothing here. So what you have to do is you can basically create a base for a specific thing, and then you can create multiple bases to manage multiple or different types of data into each base. So just to give you an example, this is a TikTok content creation base, and I use this base to manage my TikTok content creation process. So this base is used to manage my all my video projects and all of my process for TikTok. Then I have this PR outreach base which I use to do PR outreach. Then I have this spreadsheet base, and I basically add all of my clients in this spreadsheet base. Then I have a purchase process base in which I manage all of my purchases. Then I have got a personal CRM which is basically more or less the same as the spreadsheet. And then I've got a digital video production base. In this base I manage digital video production for all of my platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. And then I've got a small business marketing base as well, which I use to do my business marketing. Okay, so these are a lot of bases that I use to basically manage my business. So if you are new, you will have nothing there. What you have to do is you have to press this create button on the bottom, and you can press create from scratch. Okay, it will create a base for you. Now you can name it, you can name whatever you like, you can choose a color, and you can choose an icon for your base. This one looks good, or maybe this one. And here you can add the data into your base. So for example, if you plan to use this base to manage all of your leads, you can add all of your leads. You can add a name section, a notes section, an assignee section, and a status section. This is perfect. So for example, let's say John is a lead, and in notes I can add, I got this lead from Facebook ads. That's perfect. So in notes you can pretty much add their information, or you can delete this field by pressing delete button, and it will delete this field. In assignee you can add the person who got the lead. So in my case, since I got the lead, I am adding myself. But if you want to remove this, you can also delete this field. And in status you can add their status, if it is in progress, or if it is done or not. And by the way, you can also change these options in status. Okay, that's perfect. And you can also add a new field. For example, if you want to add an email field to enter your client's email, you press press this button, and then you scroll down and you search email, and you enter the name of the field, which is going to be email, which is going to appear here. Then press create field, and that's it. Now you can enter the the email of your client this way. That's perfect. So, and you can add all of your clients here. You can add the person who they are assigned to, their status, if they're a lead, if they are not a lead, whatever. So, and they can add you can add their email. You can even add their phone number by scrolling down and selecting this phone number. Then you can even add the date on which they were created or added in the base. So this is how you basically use Airtable. So this was a basic tutorial to use Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.